guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this cute security blanket, or they call it also a Lovey Blanket. I made this cutie for my 18 months old son. He loves security blanket for sleeping since I haven't actually given him an actual blanket. This is so simple to make, no pattern required. For the front part of this blanket I use a knit fabric, and at the back part is a fleece fabric. Alright, so with all that being said, let's get started. Cut 17 inches by 15 inches rectangles for your front and back piece. Then you want to cut two 4-inch squares for the head part of the blanket. When working with knit or stretchy fabric, I suggest for you to use this walking foot. If you're a quilter, you may be very familiar with this. This will stabilize your fabric and will make sewing with knit a lot easier. Draw the eyes and the mouth using the disappearing marker here. It is very simple to draw. All you need to do is just draw two small curved lines for the eyes and then a larger curved lines for the mouth. Add a little bit of eyelashes on the eye part, and that's it. Now we are going to embroider the eyes and the mouth here. So take your embroidery thread. I'm using 3 strands of embroidery floss in black color here. Then you want to do back stitch on these lines. Now take your head pieces and place them right side together. Then sew with 1/4 inch of seam allowance, leaving an opening at the bottom here. Now turn this piece inside out and then smooth the corner. You can use a knitting needle or a pen or a chopstick. Take a little bit of poly stuffing and then you want to stuff this inside this headpiece. You want to leave about 1/2 inch room here as a seam allowance. Now take your headpiece and place it right on the middle of your front piece here. You want to make sure that the right side of your front piece and the front side of your headpiece are touching each other. Then you want to take a little pin to hold them together. Once you've done that, you're going to base them with 1/2 inch of seam allowance. Now place your back piece and your front piece right side together, pin them in place. You want to leave about 5 inches of opening at the bottom here. Then you want to sew all around with 1/2 inch of seam allowance. Once you get to the head area, you just want to go slow and push the stuffing a little bit to the head side. Cut all the corners, be careful not to cut through the stitches. Then you want to turn it inside out. Top stitch all around except of the head area here. Alright, we are almost done. You can just leave it the way it is at this point if that's what you prefer, but I like to add the hands and feet effect. I think it's gonna make this security blanket super cute. So what you need to do, you just wanna pinch the edge of your fabric here, just like so, making like a little triangle right there. And then you want to sew about 5/8 of an inch away for the hands part, and then for the feet part I like to sew like about 3/4 inch away. You want to sew back and forth at least 3 times to make sure that they're gonna stay in place. That's all I have for you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and your project turned out great, and I shall see you next time with another sewing video. Goodbye.